Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to take you through what I believe to be the most handy feature for beginners when learning to fly manual mode on the Avata 2, and it's going to be this little button here, which is the brake/pause button. Now I'm going to show you how it works, all the situations you can use it, and in order to do that we need to get the drone up in the sky. So let's get it up. Okay, so we're now up in the sky and I've actually just pressed the pause button in order to get the drone to stay exactly where I want it to. Now this feature comes in really handy, especially if we have our throttle stick here relaxed for manual. If I just sort of start flying around and then let go of the sticks, the drone might actually be ascending or descending without me sort of knowing. We can see here it's ascending and it can be quite hard to judge where the throttle position actually needs to be in order to keep you stationary. So one instance here is just press the pause button. The aircraft is going to stay exactly where it is. It's not going to ascend or descend or move around. Now you can use the pause button when flying in any flying mode. So here I am in normal mode. I'm going to fly around. I'm just going to press the pause button and the drone is just going to stop. Now I can also use this in sports mode. So I'm going to start flying around again here. I'm in sports mode. I'm getting a bit confused. Press pause and the aircraft is just going to stop. We've got a bit of a tilt on because it's a bit windy today. Now the mode that it's going to be the most useful for is going to be here in manual mode. So we're going to flick it to manual mode and then we're going to just start flying around. Let me increase my camera angle a touch. So when you're flying around in manual mode, if this is new to you, it's very easy to get sort of confused and get your sticks crossed up. So if maybe you're flying in manual mode and you just need to take a break, you can just press that pause button and the drone is just going to stop there, giving you time to sort of take a breather, recompose yourself. And if you want to go back into manual, all you need to do is flick your switches back up to either sport or normal and then back to manual, and then you can re-engage manual mode and carry on. Now the pause button can be pressed when the aircraft is in any orientation. So I'm going to take it up here, I'm going to flick it upside down, press the pause button, the drone is going to right itself and then pause. So if you're getting really confused and you're falling from upside down, just press that pause button and it's going to correct you. Now I'm going to show you what happens here if I'm actually going really crazy and the drone is sort of spiraling in all kinds of weird maneuvers. So I'm just going to do this and then press pause and the drone is going to stop and hold position. So you can see there, let me just grab my sunglasses. So you can see there from that demonstration that no matter what is going on, you can press that pause button, the drone is just going to completely come to a stop and give you a chance to sort of take a deep breath, regather yourself and then carry on flying. Now it's really handy, especially when you're new to manual mode. It's very easy to get confused, and if you do, just tap that pause button, the drone is going to stop and it's going to give you a little helping hand in order to prevent some crashes and just keep you up in the air for a bit longer. So that is basically how you go about using the brake button, all the different ways it can be used, and you now know it's available in every single flight mode. Use it, it's really handy. I use it literally every single time I fly. So go out, enjoy, make use of that button, and try not to have those sudden impacts with the ground. If you've gained value from this video, consider becoming a member on Patreon, as it's one of the best ways to support the work that I'm doing here. Now I'm also currently working on a cinematic FPV course, so if that's something that you would be interested in, then you can sign up to the waitlist down below to get notified on all the latest developments and information with this course. Now I've also started a weekly newsletter giving you the latest drone news, hot tips and discounts, and you can find all of that linked in the video description down below. And whilst you're down there, hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. You should go and check out this video next. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.